Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, it's going to be a quick walkthrough on Livegood, a new company that I just joined. And this is my back office here, my membership here. So I'm a member of an affiliate of Livegood. All right. And then we're going to go to my team. So I did get one person to upgrade, and I'm going to go over um, my referrals real quick. So I pre-enrolled 27 people already, as you can see here. I'm not going to show you the emails, okay? But I did get in 27 people, and then one did upgrade, and that's going to fall into my matrix after midnight. All right. Now here is where you get your personal websites at, okay? And here is the three websites, okay? So the corporate website, if you want to just send someone straight to that for to get general information, you could do that. Here's the retail site. Now the retail site is where you're gonna sell your products to just regular customers, okay? And then you have your Powerline landing page, okay? So that's where you're gonna send all your traffic to get the signups and the leads and the signups. Okay. Now here on the left hand side, on the far left hand side, is where you have your recent pre-enrollees. Okay, so we're literally getting people in every 20 to 30 seconds up to a minute. Okay, so here's the list of recent pre-enrollees. So this thing does continue to grow as well. All right. And then my earnings are not going to show up yet because I recently got that upgraded member. It was 3 days ago. So in the next pay period, it's going to show up down here. Okay. Now I'm going to go back up here to, let's see. Oh, let me go here. Go to my Powerline view. Okay. So here's me at the top, okay? And here's everyone that enrolled after me or became a member after me. So they all fall under me, under the power line. That does not necessarily mean they're gonna fall under me in my matrix. So whoever my enroller is gonna follow your enroller. So whoever my enroller got in to the system, then that they're gonna fall under my matrix, for example. Okay, so that's how it actually works until it gets filled, and then so on and so on. Okay, and then like our owner and CEO said in the beginning, I wouldn't expect spillover the first week or even the first month. That's not a bad thing, but once it comes, it's gonna fill up pretty quickly. Okay, so my best recommendation is creating a video, sending traffic, sending cold traffic to your landing page or warm traffic, whatever you may have. All right. Now, let's see what else I'm gonna go over here. So yeah, that's about it, guys. If you want to go ahead and then join in. Oh, actually, let me go ahead and go to, let me see here, my earnings, and then they do. I'm just gonna go over quickly with the compensation plan. I do have a full video on that as well. So you get paid 6 ways. Okay, you get the weekly fast start commissions. Okay, you get the number two is the matrix commissions. You get 2.5% on that. Okay, and that goes 12 levels deep until you get to level diamond, and I go over that in one of my other videos. You get the number three. A third way you could earn is the matching bonuses in the matrix. Okay, And then number 4 is the retail commissions. If you sell any product, you get commissions on those as well too. All right. And then number 5 is the influencer bonus. All right. And then number 6 is the diamond pool bonus. Okay. So if you are ready to join, go ahead and click the link below to take the free tour. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Have a good one.